Shalom, family. Welcome to another episode of Our Israel Lives. Welcome to our drink segment. I want to share some information on how just reducing your sugary drinks can aid you in better health, weight loss, and so forth and so on. So I actually make our own milk. I make our own creamer for me, and then I also make different types of drinks, and I basically use dates. And if you need a little extra for the creamer, I usually use a little extra sweetener using agave, but most of the time it's just going to be dates for sweetening. So today I'm just going to show you the simple creamer. Like I don't have anything against coffee. If you kind of do your research, you'll find coffee in moderation, taken the right way without all of the additives, are actually healthy for you. So me and my husband, we do indulge in a cup of coffee, if not every day, quite often. So this is the creamer, very simple. So with the creamer, it's about 2.5 cups of water that we'll be using. This is going to be a vanilla creamer, so about a tablespoon of vanilla. And this is about 6, it just depends on how sweet you want it. If you want it a little sweeter, you can add agave, but I use about 8 pitted dates and a half a cup of pre-soaked almonds, and then 1 cup of coconut flakes, okay? And this is the agave, just in case you want a little extra sweetener after you make it. So you turn the machine on, and this is a Nama milk maker. I'll try to get a better picture of it for you. Okay, this is the catchment to the Nama juicer, but this is a milk maker, actually, not a juicer. It's a milk maker. I make all of my milk. I don't buy milk at all. Basically, all you have to do is you open the lid. Everything is in place, okay? You put your your water, and you make certain that the chute is closed. I've messed up a few times there. And then you just start placing your ingredients. This is the tablespoon of vanilla. And then this is and that's pure vanilla. And then this here are the 8 dates, and you have to make certain they're pitted. I buy them already pitted, but I did find one time that a pit was still left in there, so you still have to check. And then this is a half a cup of almonds, and pre-soaked. You want to soak them for at least overnight, but I pre-soak them and I just keep them in the refrigerator because I make so much milk. And then this is a cup of coconut flakes. I choose to do coconut and almond because the almond kind of helps the coconut not separate as much when you put it in the refrigerator. So that's why I do that. So you just put everything in there, and you close it, okay? So you want to put the time on 1, okay? Now that the time is on 1, you want to, you want to hit start. Okay, and now it says open, and look at that beautiful milk. It's very well. This is creamer. It's a little thicker, but it's getting ready to spin. And just like that, guys, you have creamer, all freshly made, no crazy ingredients. Now, the thing that I love the most, well, not the most, but the thing that I really love about this, because I've been making my own milk, even when I lived in Africa, I made my own milk. But this is how simple it is to clean. You just lift this out. You just dump the residue. You just take the brush, real quick, brush this. And then this is the hopper. You just take it. Wash it. Rinse it. And it's clean. Now I'm going to show you real quick how to put it back together. Very, very simple. Just dry it really nice. This goes back here. You dry this really nicely, or you could just let it sit out, but I want you to see how easy it is to use and to put back together. You dry this really nicely. You insert this back in here. You sit this in here, and you are ready to go for your next milk beverage. Guys, this has been a life changer for me. Like I said, it is an investment, but if you're really serious about your health and you really want to make some changes that will save you and your family in the long run money, but also health wise, then this is a machine that you want to consider. Again, it's the Nama milker. You can look in the description and there will be a link where you can actually buy your milker. I promise you, you will not regret it. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, Shalom.